Welcome to our channel, KB Learn and Quotes. We will cover the biology topics mentioned below. Topics are cell biology, genetics, ecology, plant physiology, human physiology, biochemistry. In this video we will cover first 1 to 50 MCQs related to cell biology. In an ecosystem, what trophic level would carnivores occupy? The options are A. Primary producers, B. Primary consumers, C. Secondary consumers, D. Tertiary consumers. Correct answer is C. Secondary consumers. The process by which water changes from a liquid to a gas is called. The options are A. Transpiration, B. Respiration, C. Condensation, D. Evaporation. Correct answer is D. Evaporation. Which of the following is an example of a density-dependent factor that affects population growth? The options are A. Flood, B. Disease, C. Drought, D. Hurricane. Correct answer is B. Disease. The sum total of a species' use of the biotic and abiotic resources in its environment is called its. The options are A. Carrying capacity, B. Niche, C. Habitat, D. Trophic level. Correct answer is B. Niche. The variety of different species in a given area is called. The options are A. Population density, B. Species richness, C. Species evenness, D. Species diversity. Correct answer is D. Species diversity. Which of the following is an example of a primary producer? The options are A. Grasshopper, B. Hawk, C. Grass, D. Rabbit. Correct answer is C. Grass. The role or function of a species within an ecosystem is called its. The options are A. Carrying capacity, B. Habitat, C. Niche, D. Trophic level. Correct answer is C. Niche. What is the term for the total mass of living organisms in a given area? The options are A. Biomass, B. Biodiversity, C. Biome, D. Bioaccumulation. Correct answer is A. Biomass. Which of the following is an example of a density-independent factor affecting population growth? The options are A. Competition for resources, B. Disease, C. Natural disasters, D. Predation. Correct answer is C. Natural disasters. The process by which plants convert nitrates into nitrogen gas is called. The options are A. Nitrogen fixation, B. Nitrification, C. Denitrification, D. Ammonification. Correct answer is C. Denitrification. What is the term for the variety of different ecosystems within a given area? The options are A. Biome, B. Biodiversity, C. Biomass, D. Biogeochemistry. Correct answer is A. Biome. Which of the following is not a type of ecological pyramid? The options are A. Energy pyramid, B. Biomass pyramid, C. Population pyramid, D. Trophic pyramid. Correct answer is C. Population pyramid. In the carbon cycle, which process returns carbon dioxide to the atmosphere? The options are A. Photosynthesis, B. Respiration, C. Decomposition, D. Combustion. Correct answer is B. Respiration. Which of the following factors does not influence the distribution of terrestrial biomes? The options are A. Temperature, B. Precipitation, C. Wind patterns, D. Ocean currents. Correct answer is D. Ocean currents. Which biome is characterized by freezing temperatures, high winds, and little precipitation? The options are A. Tundra, B. Grassland, C. Desert, D. Rainforest. Correct answer is A. Tundra. The process by which phosphorus is released from rocks into the soil is called. The options are A. Nitrogen fixation, B. Phosphorus fixation, C. Weathering, D. Decomposition. Correct answer is C. Weathering. Which of the following is an example of a secondary succession event? The options are A. A volcanic eruption, B. A forest fire, C. A glacier melting, D. A hurricane. Correct answer is B. A forest fire. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? The options are A. Carbon dioxide, B. Methane, C. Nitrous oxide, D. Oxygen. Correct answer is D. Oxygen. Which of the following is an example of a density-independent factor that affects population growth? The options are A. Disease, B. Competition for resources, C. Predation, D. Drought. Correct answer is D. Drought. Which of the following is not a component of an organism's niche? The options are A. Its role in the food web. B. Its preferred habitat. C. Its reproductive behavior. D. Its population density. Correct answer is D. Its population density. The movement of individuals into a population is called. The options are A. Emigration. B. Immigration. C. Migration. D. Dispersion. Correct answer is B. Immigration. The process by which water changes from a liquid to a gas is called. The options are A. Transpiration. B. Respiration. C. Condensation. D. Evaporation. Correct answer is D. Evaporation. In the carbon cycle, which process returns carbon dioxide to the atmosphere? The options are A. Photosynthesis. B. Respiration. C. Decomposition. D. Combustion. Correct answer is B. Respiration. Which of the following is an example of a density-independent factor that affects population growth? The options are A. Disease. B. Competition for resources. C. Predation. D. Drought. Correct answer is D. Drought. The role or function of a species within an ecosystem is called its. The options are A. Carrying capacity. B. Habitat. C. Niche. D. Trophic level. Correct answer is C. Which of the following is an example of a secondary consumer? The options are A. Rabbit. B. Grasshopper. C. Hawk. D. Grass. Correct answer is C. Hawk. In an ecosystem, what trophic level would decomposers occupy? The options are A. Primary producers. B. Primary consumers. C. Secondary consumers. D. Tertiary consumers. Correct answer is A. Primary producers. What is the basic unit of heredity? The options are A. Gene. B. L. C. Chromosome. D. Nucleotide. Correct answer is A. Gene. In humans, which chromosome determines the sex of an individual? The options are A. X. B. Y. C. Phi. D. W. Correct answer is B. Y. What is the term for the alternative forms of a gene? The options are A. Genotype. B. Phenotype. C. L. D. Chromosome. Correct answer is C. L. What is the name for a genetic trait that requires only one copy of the L to be expressed? The options are A. Recessive trait. B. Dominant trait. C. Codominant trait. D. Polygenic trait. Correct answer is B. Dominant trait. In a Punnett square, what are the letters used to represent Alice? The options are A, B, C. B, X, Y, Z. C, M, N, O. D, capital and lowercase letters. Correct answer is D, capital and lowercase letters. Which term describes the genetic makeup of an individual? The options are A. Phenotype. B. Genotype. C. Chromosome. D. L. Correct answer is B. Genotype. What is the name of the diagram used to predict the outcome of a genetic cross? The options are A. Punnett square. B. Pedigree chart. C. Karyotype. D. Gene map. Correct answer is A. Punnett square. In a genetic cross, what are the parental generation individuals referred to as? The options are A. F1 generation. B. F2 generation. C. P generation. D. Filial generation. Correct answer is C. P generation. What is the term for the physical expression of a gene? The options are A. Genotype. B. Phenotype. C. Chromosome. D. L. Correct answer is B. Phenotype. If an individual is heterozygous for a particular trait, what does that mean? The options are A. They have two different alleles for the trait. B. They have two identical alleles for the trait. C. They have only one L for the trait. D. They have no alleles for the trait. Correct answer is A. They have two different alleles for the trait. What is the name of the phenomenon where one gene influences multiple traits? The options are A. Incomplete dominance. B. Codominance. C. Pleiotropy. D. Epistasis. Correct answer is C. Pleiotropy. What is the term for the mating of two individuals with different phenotypes for a particular trait? The options are A. Homozygous. B. Heterozygous. C. Monohybrid cross. D. Dihybrid cross. Correct answer is C. Monohybrid cross. What is the probability of two heterozygous individuals producing a homozygous recessive offspring? The options are A. 0%, B. 25%, C. 50%, D. 75%. Correct answer is B. 25%. Which genetic disorder is characterized by the inability to properly metabolize phenylalanine? The options are A. Cystic fibrosis, B. Sickle cell anemia, C. Tay-Sachs disease, D. Phenylketonuria, PKU. Correct answer is D. Phenylketonuria, PKU. In humans, how many pairs of autosomes are there? The options are A. 22, B. 23, C. 24, D. 25. Correct answer is A. 22. What is the term for the failure of homologous chromosomes to separate properly during meiosis? The options are A. Mutation, B. Translocation, C. Non-disjunction, D. Crossing over. Correct answer is C. Non-disjunction. Which term describes the presence of an extra chromosome in an individual's genotype? The options are A. Trisomy, B. Monosomy, C. Aneuploidy, D. Polyploidy. Correct answer is A. Trisomy. What is the term for the condition where an individual has both male and female reproductive organs? The options are A. Androgen insensitivity syndrome, B. Turner syndrome, C. Klinefelter syndrome, D. Hermaphroditism. Correct answer is D. Hermaphroditism. Which term describes a gene located on the X or Y chromosome? The options are A. Autosomal, B. Sex-linked, C. Recessive, D. Dominant. Correct answer is B. Sex-linked. What is the term for a segment of DNA that codes for a specific protein? The options are A. Gene, B. Chromosome, C. L, D. Nucleotide. Correct answer is A. Gene. In a dibrid cross, how many different genotypes are possible in the offspring? The options are A. 2, B. 4, C. 8, D. 16. Correct answer is B. 4. What is the name of the genetic disorder caused by the presence of an extra copy of chromosome 21? The options are A. Down syndrome, B. Turner syndrome, C. Klinefelter syndrome, D. Edwards syndrome. Correct answer is A. Down syndrome. Which term describes the situation where one gene masks the effect of another gene at a different locus? The options are A. Incomplete dominance, B. Codominance, C. Epistasis, D. Pleiotropy. Correct answer is C. Epistasis.